You ready? Look at this. Welcome back, you guys. I hope your day is going as well as you look, and don't think I don't know that you don't look good, baby. You look stunning, and I know your day is going well. I'm excited for this one. It looks so fire. I love the bottle of this. This is called Noir from Riffs, Riiffs. I've seen it all over TikTok, and when they unbox this, it looks so beautiful. Now, the notes in here are going to be caramel, milk, lily of the valley, vanilla, and musk. We all know I'm not a fan of rose or caramel fragrances when they're like the strongest, most thing that you smell out of the fragrance, right? But caramel, it depends, because if it's super strong, sometimes it can smell really burnt. Other times it can smell nice. It can warm up a fragrance and not smell half bad. Just depends on what they do with it. Now, I'm really curious about the milk note as well. How lactonic is this gonna smell? Is it gonna smell creamy, milky? No idea. Let's open her up. I'm gonna peel the plastic off with you guys real quick, just so you can see, like, this is the first time of me opening this girl. You ready? Wait. Maybe this way? How the hell do they do this? How does this work? Wait, come here. Why are you being scared? What's going on? Hold on, y'all. This is not supposed to be happening. It's supposed to be smooth, and it was supposed to be open already. What's going on? It's supposed to turn all the way around. Is it broke? Is it stuck? Well, now it's not as special because I had to fix it, but you ready? Look at this. Look, oh my God, that is so pretty. Are you joking me right now? Now, it does look a little bit like something that is for adults, like, okay, excuse me. That made me gag. Now it does come with this little stand right here, which, I mean, is, hold on, if it'll focus, you can see, like, it doesn't stand up in the stand. It's just like literally a plastic stand. It's like, hold on, hear that? Where's the quality? Where, like, literally I could just, and it'll break. All I gotta do is just squeeze this thing barely. But this itself, I don't know what this is. I think that's glass at the bottom. Okay, pop off. At the top, plastic. Up here, this is metal. Okay, the top is metal. Love that. Love that. Okay. Oh, wait, look. And you got the atomizer. Look at this. You got the atomizer right there. There's nothing covering that at all. So, like, a pin could go through here and, like, spray it on accident and be wasting your fragrance. Look, I'm being picky. I've had quite a few perfume bottles at this point. I think I deserve a say-so in how something looks, because now on to how this smells. That is the biggest question of them all. I'm gonna spray it on my skin like a daredevil, and because if you spray it on the papers, it just smells so different on paper compared to skin half the time. Now let's go ahead and give her a good spray. Try to let her sit for a second, air it out, waft it away. Oh, I can smell it in the air. Oh yeah. This don't smell half bad. Okay. It's not it's almost overpoweringly strong caramel, but oh yeah, this is milky, it's smooth, it's creamy. That caramel is very strong. It's very strong, but I think the milk note, the vanilla, maybe the floral, something is saving it. Something is saving it from being too much, too sharp, you know? And I think it's the milk. It is a very creamy, milky caramel. It said florals, lily of the valley, but I don't smell no floral. I don't. It's like a caramel milk. Now, it is going to be a warmer, denser fragrance for sure. This is not super sweet, super airy. No, this is like heavy, dense, warm, caramel, milk cream type of fragrance. Yeah, it's not half bad. I would say, and this is my opinion, all of these are my opinion. If you are new here, take every review with a grain of salt. Everybody's nose is different. Your nose isn't mine and mine isn't yours. We could smell completely different things, and also we could like completely different things. Okay, everybody is different. Just want to throw that out there as well. But to me, right, in the air, it kind of smells like a heavier, creamier, thicker cocoa butter, like the cocoa butter lotions and stuff, right? It smells like that in a perfumed way, like a perfumed cocoa butter version. It's creamy, it's milky, it's delicious. It really does smell good. I would have to say, with these warmer, denser, heavier fragrances, in my opinion, I do believe that they are better during wintertime when it's very cold. So the heavy warmth, denseness of a fragrance can help warm you up and just make you feel so cozy. But that is just my opinion. Oh, look at me. Y'all, I'm so stupid. This isn't even plugged in. It is not even 9 o'clock in the morning. It's not. I wake up and I just do these. It's 8:07. 8:07 right now. Yo, I didn't even plug in my microphone. That's absolutely crazy. Okay. All right, let's get to the final thoughts. I think we need to cut this and continue drinking some more coffee. But anyways, I think it's okay. The stand, I do have a problem with the stand. I mean, come on now. If you're gonna make a stand for something, make it stand straight up. Like, why would you not? And it don't even go this way, so I don't have it wrong. This is how it came. Anyways, I think it's okay. I do like the packaging. Look, wait. Because look, as soon as I say that, hold on, you see that? It's got a little gash, a little scratch from this. The gold is already coming off and scratching onto the perfume. So, I don't know. Say what you will. Say what you will. I don't want to be too picky over here. Other than that, I do believe that the bottle looks amazing. I do love the design. I love the glass, and I love the metal. I don't know about this plastic, though. I'm just not a fan of the plastic. Other than that, great fragrance. I think it smells really good. I would give it like a 9 out of 10. Only for seasonal fragrances. I just don't like when something can't be worn all the time. And this is just my opinion. Wear everything when you want. I know there's people that wear stuff like this during like summer and stuff like that. I'm sure it's okay. Other than that, I think it's not bad. 9 out of 10. If you've tried it before, let me know. And I can't get over that. It is just leaning over as it sits down. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.